Hey, what's going on, 18? It's your Captain Terrain with All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Visit us online for the Supreme Clean at allterrain.com. Today I just wanted to just talk to you briefly here. Let's be fair. When I say fair, fair to those of us who are doing the work that we do when it comes to cleaning a roof. So you can see this roof right here, doing gutter cleaning, right? Look at this big thing behind me right here, okay? This bag right here is probably enough to where we can, I'm gonna be a little bit sarcastic, but we can probably mow a whole football field with that and put the droppings and things in that. No, I'm just kidding, but for real, be fair with yourself, inform your clients and for the potential clients and customers and friends and neighbors and family, to those that we do the service for, providing gutter cleaning. And I'm talking to anyone. I mean, this is another series of entrepreneurs in training, and I have lots of experience with running a business and operating and management and just hands-on. As you see here, I mean, if you take a look at these gutters now, these gutters were full to the brim. And a lot of the times, I understand that everyone's looking for a bargain. Things are tight, but don't undersell yourself. Don't cut yourself short, especially if you want to run a successful business, take care and provide for you and your family. I mean, don't be the guy out there charging $99 or $100 for gutter cleaning, and charge accordingly to your time as well as the risk involved. I mean, some people say, we're putting our lives on the line. You don't have to do that, because everything that you want to do, you want to have all the proper safety procedures in place, so that way you don't have to put your life on the line. But gaining this experience and the knowledge that we gain and the things that we do, we provide excellent service for what you do. And I understand those who are getting started, sometimes you got to get your name out there, do pro bono, do things to just kind of get your name circulating. But once you do that, I would say that you do yourself a big disfavor. And I know a lot of people are coming into this industry and doing home services and cleaning solutions and things of that nature, but for real, I mean, set your expectations and for the clients and the potential prospects and the people who want to get their gutters and their roofs clean and their houses clean with soft washing. I mean, everyone's looking for a deal and a bargain, but I mean, you really pay for what you get. And you've heard of I'm gonna end with this. When I say be fair, let's be fair. All money is not good money. I mean, like this, you can go out and that's on both sides, of the people that are making the money and the people that are spending the money. So if you want to spend good money and get a good service, go with someone that's reputable, someone that's knowledgeable, someone that's certified and has all the credentials and know what they're doing, as opposed to putting you and your family and your home at risk from someone that's inexperienced or someone that's cutting corners, so forth and so on. So let's just be fair. Let's do what we do. Let's work hard and honest and provide integrity to the industry that we're in. This is your Captain Terrain with All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Visit us online at allterrain.com. I'll be back with more content. Let me know if you like this and what's your perspective. I mean, are you for it, is it yay or nay? Are you for it or against it? Either way, have a blessed day, everyone. Talk to you in the next one.